So this cheap bike challenge thing, yeah, could use this. A little giant stone breaker. Got this for free. As you can see, it's not in good condition. It has a little gentle clean, but all the metal parts are rusty. Derailleurs actually look pretty good. I think they can stay. I do have a new stem, new bars, new seat posts for it. Cleaned up the shifters. Might stick some V-brakes on it. Got some new tyres. And I don't really like this whole thing or the crankset behind it, so might get a new crankset, but should be able to keep this cheap. Finally do something with it.